Hello, and welcome to another episode of Boxing with Paul. And today, I'm excited to bring you Poetic Lumos Case for the iPhone 13. Let's take a look at it. Poetic is an efficient company that doesn't spend money on needless things. The money that they save, they pass on to you. Let me show you what I mean by that. Is that you can currently find this case that I'm about to show you on Poetic's website for only $14.95. A clear case, a premium clear case for the iPhone 13 for 15 bucks. Obviously, this isn't a MagSafe case, but it's almost as nice as a clear MagSafe case. And again, for only $14.95. Let's go ahead and finally get into it. Okay, and there isn't much and goodies inside the box, as again, Poetic doesn't spend money on those extra little things, and it's reflected on the price. However, that's not reflected on the product because you still get a very, very nice product nonetheless. Let's go ahead and take a look at it before we do anything to it. It looks to be very nice and free of blemishes. A very, very nice, what appears to be a polycarbonate back with thermoplastic polyurethane corners and sides. Let's go ahead and pop our iPhone in there and see what that's gonna look like. Okay, so once we have our iPhone in there, again, a very, very beautiful, nice case. It is clear that allows you to see the color of your iPhone. Very nice deep blue color. I do like the fact that it does have a raised bump on the front. I do believe this is a 1.5 millimeter raised bump, but it's not much though. It's not as aggressive as it is on other cases. However, I think that's more of the point of this case, to have more of a lighter case that you really don't notice is there. However, still keeping your phone protected. And when we flip it over to the back side, we also see that we have a raised bump for the cameras. It is supposed to be a 2.5 millimeter raised bump. So again, it isn't much, but it's still very nice to see that Poetic has not neglected the camera bump or the front. Going all around the case, again, we can see that it's a very nicely protected all around. We can see Poetic's logo on the side. We can have our power button up here. Let's go ahead and see how clicky it is. Okay, I mean, that wasn't really a concern of mine. You can still hear it, because usually with really nice sturdy cases, you tend to have your phone protected. However, that usually comes at the cost of some mobility, and you're not able to get to your buttons as easy. And if we go over towards the bottom, we can see a very nicely cut out speaker holes on both sides, as well as very nicely cut out lightning port for us to be able to plug in our iPhone. And over on the very left side of the phone, we can see our volume down and volume up keys, as well as our slot for the silent button that we can see is still very easily accessible. Same thing with our button, still very accessible, very, very clicky. And more than anything, I like the fact that, again, this is a very light case, very clear, allows you to enjoy the beauty of your phone, allows you to enjoy the natural color of your phone without getting in the way, without you really feeling that it's there. The back of the case does have an anti-yellowing agent that is meant to prevent, obviously, yellowing from aging and from the ultraviolet rays that hit it. Usually, I know a lot of older cases that I have, they're usually, again, the yellow with age. However, that's not supposed to happen on this one. And that should wrap it up. Go ahead and leave it down in the comments. What are your thoughts on poetic cases? What are your thoughts on clear cases? What are some other nice clear cases that you guys have seen? And make sure to be subscribed so you guys can be entered into the giveaway for the Alcatel Droid Tab 2 tablet. The moment I reach 750 subscribers, I am going to be giving one of these tablets away. All you have to do is comment and be subscribed. And as always, thanks for watching.